Hey guys, welcome to a new video. How are you doing? This is Mecca. This is Mecca's Garden and Kitchen Journey, and this is actually, first of all, a big apology to my beautiful, lovely subscribers that found me through my juicer reviews. So if you started with me from the beginning, one of the major things I did was review juices, and that was because I was looking for juicers. I wanted to know the best juicer to use and how to help my body heal, making the most of my ingredients, sort of like not wasting ingredients. So I wanted juicers with higher yields and better performance and able to handle like tough and fibrous vegetables. So I eventually found the juicer, and partly that's one of the reasons why I haven't been reviewing juicers and things like blenders. And because I don't have to, I just can't be buying them to review. But today I got hold of this one. So this is actually from a friend. This is the Buchymix whole slow juicer. So vertical masticating juicer. This juicer is like a newer one, but for me, this is the first time I'm seeing this. I have reviewed the Buchymix juicer, the older one that was not a whole, like a slow juicer, that apparently this one has like great reviews. So let's unbox this juicer together, shall we? Okay, so it comes with that manual, and that's just the these are juicer recipes, and this is a manual, and it's got a warranty. How much warranty has it got? 1 year limited warranty, so that's not bad. Okay, considering the price, and a little thank you note, which is nice. So let's unbox it. We need to lay it down and slide it out. Right. It came with additional accessories. So this, and that was added to the juicer. Okay, so I'm not sure why we have the additional accessories added, but they are here. So let's see. So obviously this is a nice addition for a bottle on the go, so that's why that is added. But what I'm not sure about are these ones. So this looks like is that a smoothie? I don't know what that is. Doesn't say in the box. And this is just a strainer. So let's open the box. Now, this juicer, as at August 2024, this juicer sold for 199,000 naira. So this was imported from Nigeria to me. It's actually not for me, it's a friend. So guys, I do these reviews whenever, like I said, I can get hold of a juicer. If I have someone that has one, it's not my juicer, it's a friend's one. So I'm reviewing it, see how it works. So let's open it. So this sits there, correct? Yeah, that sits like so. First impression, it's very heavy, really good weight, which to me, that tells me it's got a good quality motor. The other juicer I reviewed a couple years ago was not this heavy from memory. Okay, so this. Now, this is actually the auger in here, I believe. So you've got that, really looks good. Yeah, it's got a bit of oil in there. Then this will be the normal strainer for the juicer. This will be the juicer strainer. This is the one for sorbet. So let's put that back like so. And this is a beautiful one. This is the orange juice attachment. So this is really cool. Like, it comes with the juicer, an orange juice attachment. I think the KUVINGS, you have to buy that, but this one comes here. So let's put that in. I'm not going to review this orange juice attachment. I hope I put that in right. There you go. Brush, which is cool, handy. And what is that? That is like the plunger, what do you call that? The little guide. And we have your juice cup, and one will be a pulp cup. They're similar. They look identical. Oh no, they're not identical. This one has got a little guide for the juice, so this is definitely the juice one, and that will be the pulp one. But they're similar. They just have The only difference is that actually they're identical. The only difference is that, okay, so you can use them interchangeably. So the strainer did not come with the juicer. That's why they've added the strainer. Okay, and yeah, and that's it. So this would normally go in there. This is unboxing done. If you want to see the review, you have to watch the next one because we don't want to make it too long. Just wanted to show you the parts, the accessories, and let you know what the price is like. It's actually why it's called the whole slow juicer, because apparently you can put a whole apple in here. It's not massive, but it's good. Comparing this to the Huron, obviously it's not a big shoot, but comparing this to the KUVINGS, it seems similar. But when we'll compare them, we'll have the KUVINGS side by side and we'll do a proper review. So thank you for watching, and please watch the next video to know how we come about comparing them and the outcomes, okay? Anyway, thank you once again. Do not forget, if you haven't yet, subscribe and like and share this video, and also turn on your post notifications so you know when next I upload a new video, or when I upload the part 2, which will be actually the comparison between this and the KUVINGS. It will be the Revo 830, which is they're so similar, they're so close, they look so alike. Actually, they have similar, you know, properties, and yeah, the sellers or the manufacturers are actually telling you this is as good as the KUVINGS. So we want to know, is it as good as the KUVINGS? We'll find out. Anyway, it's your one and only Mecca, and for my juicer fans, my review fans, thank you for sticking with me despite me not bringing you review videos. The next one will be a banger. It will be. Bye bye.